The 11th of this month. The wood was torn, as if it was torn by an external force. Eyes gouged. What about age? The youngest deceased was only 5 or 6 years old, and the oldest was only 8 years old. They were all found dead in the early hours of the morning near the Zenobia neighborhood. We have talked to the victim's family, the greatest commonality among them. The victim's pupils are green-blue. Give me the address. I'm going to trip to the place where the crime happened. You are still sick. Almost done. Please bring me. No, you just finished work today. Debuted him. What can I see Mr. Hazel lately? That person has not appeared since that day. Is it the one who gives up so easily? My pocket watch is still in his hand. It is the only thing I want to take into the grave after death. It seems that this question should not be asked. Zenobia is not crowded even in the daytime. It seems that everyone knows what happened recently and dare not come out. I remember Handy lives near here. We go to ask him about his situation. Let him be the best. Good idea. Since the kid was adopted, I haven't seen him much in the past week. Handy, are you at home? We come to see you. Brother Garland, and you. Call me by name directly. You and I are about the same age. Brother Garland, your body, already healed. Thank you for your flowers and cards. Then I can rest assured. I had to go to Zenobia Street to deliver the letter. Handy. Zenobia Street area is very dangerous recently. You should pay attention. That's right. It's very dangerous these few days, so don't walk outside anymore. It's okay. I'm very familiar with it. And Mrs. Baddiel also take care of me. I can go to school after sending out the newspaper these days. Can we meet Mrs. Barbette? She's not at home and she's only coming out back at night. Do you want to come in and play with me for a while? We won't bother you much. You have to pay attention to safety. Yes. Let's visit again while the others are at home next time. What's wrong? Deputy Tim? Nothing. The man hasn't taken his pet away. Is the shadow I saw today because I'm sick or dazzled? Always a little uneasy. Still go and have a look. Who?